If you are too low a temperature or too short a time, so it's just not in the oven long enough, not getting hot enough, so it's not going to be fully cured. Meaning, it might look like a good finish, but if it's not fully cured, it's probably not going to be as chemical resistant. It's not going to hold up as well to dings and chips. And the surface might mar or discolor if you're not fully cured over time. If you're over cured or over baked, that can result in some bad instances. If it's a light color, could change the color of the powder if you're in there for way too long or just too high of temperature. It also could make the coating really brittle. So knowing the time and temperature that you need to be in the oven is really important. One thing to note, the time on those technical data sheets, powder coating companies are telling you that is the amount of time that the metal part needs to be at temperature. It's very common for powders to be 10 minutes at 400 degrees. That doesn't mean that you just put it in the oven for only 10 minutes. You've got to leave the part in there till it can get up to 400 degrees or near 400 degrees, then start your 10 minutes.